So, hello everyone. This is our wonderful patient who underwent rhinoplasty with us almost 6 months ago. She underwent a functional rhinoplasty, which was both to improve her breathing and to improve her aesthetics. Thank you so much for doing this, first of all, because it's very nice of
Thank you.
you. This is just so that we can help our patients understand what the procedure is like, what the surgery is like. We get a lot of patients who ask these questions, and even though I tell them something, it's different to hear them from someone who's already undergone this. So, thank you so much for doing this.
Welcome. It's my pleasure to do this.
So, when did you first start feeling like you might want to undergo a rhinoplasty?
Past few years, I had increased breathing problem. I had mainly two issues. One, I had increased breathing problem, and one more was external deformity. Like deformity in the sense I was uncomfortable, quite uncomfortable with my knees. So I had to choose someone who can do both of the jobs. So, when I researched and thought about Venkat Center, it was really the best option to choose.
Thank you so much. So, what were some of the breathing issues you were having? What were some of the symptoms?
One thing is when I lie down on the bed, I couldn't breathe like completely. I used to breathe through my nose only. And when during exercises and all while running, I had a lot of breathing issues. I couldn't walk or fastly and all. So I had a lot of breathing issues,
Okay.
very severe kind of.
And for the external appearance, how was that affecting you? Was that bothering you a lot?
Yes, quite a bit because my nose completely crooked one. It was a S-shaped nose, not neither side deviated. So it bothered me sometimes.
Okay. And what kind of research did you undergo or did you do before doing this treatment?
I had lot of research done because it was my nose. I did not want to regret why did I choose that thing and all. So I had to do a lot of research. And when one of my seniors said about you, so I did a lot of research. And the best thing I found was I had got a ENT surgeon and a plastic surgeon in the same hospital. And even after the post surgery, also I never regretted. I never had a thought of regretting. Also, such a good service was at Venkat Center.
Thank you so much. Now, uh, what are obviously anyone undergoing a surgery has some tension, has some anxiety. So, what are the some of the things that you were worried about going into the surgery?
Uh, Especially, it's very sure because even if the surgery is on the face, the person would be very much tense. Same I was. How my nose would look post surgery and all. So I had lot of confidence on you, and I was just calm and quiet.
Oh, thank you so
Let's
much.
see what happens after.
And so, what is the surgery itself like? Can you take us through that process before surgery, during surgery?
Uh, the surgery went quite smoothly. I never had any thought that my surgery is going on. It's very nice, smooth. And post surgery also for a period of 1 week, I had swelling and bit of pain, but it was quite okay. And sir was always with me. You were always with me. Like whenever I needed, immediately you would respond. That was the best part. I wouldn't get panic for it. So it was nice,
So,
sir.
was there a lot?
And everything was good.
Was there a lot of pain? Would you say was it very painful or discomfort?
No, never. I never felt that it was uncontrollable pain. First few 4 5 days, there was slight pain because of swelling and all. Later, it subsided.
All right. And now, how is when you first saw your result when we took that splint off? What was that moment like? How did you feel?
It was like seriously a moment of miracle. I never wondered, I never thought that my nose would be so straight and bold after the surgery itself. So it was very happy with my result.
And how is your breathing after the surgery?
Yeah, immediately after the surgery, my breathing got improved. Only the swelling part was there, and later that also has been reduced. Still, some swelling is going to reduce. It is not the final result, minor. So, breathing is completely improved. I'm very happy with the functional result I have got. I can sleep properly now and do exercise for a bit long time. It never hurts me.
Very good. And did anyone come to know that you had surgery? Or you receive any comments or questions?
Yeah, many people said it's become good. You're looking more bright.
And so it's been 6 months since the surgery. What has this period been like? Are you still seeing changes? What is the process like?
Yeah, it's still been under a process. I had a bit of swelling here and here, like a few months ago. That has been reduced. Only the tip swelling is remaining. It will be reduced in months.
And so, how would you say this has changed your life? Would you say this is worth it?
Yes, sir. Obviously, it's a worth it because it's the face part, and though it's not like I was very then others I myself was very much uncomfortable with it. Like, why is this like this? It's not even one; it's completely S-shaped and big one. So I was very much uncomfortable, and now whenever I look at the mirror, I smile and just thank you.
Oh, thank you so much. And uh, what would you say to people who are thinking of undergoing this but they're a little hesitant about it? What message would you give them?
I want them to do research better. Dr. Sir is a very good surgeon. I know it. Like, even if you want, you can ask me also. It's very good. Like, I I at least give 10 out of 10 for sir.
Oh, thank you.
Such a happy person I am after the surgery.
Thank you so much. If nothing else, you made my day. I'm smiling after this interview. Thank you so much. So again, I can tell all these things to patients, but when they hear it from someone who's already undergone it, it's just a different feeling because you feel more trustworthy about it. So thank you so much for agreeing to do this and taking the time to do this.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure.